Are you tired of struggling to add a simple image gallery in Elementor? Learn how to add and customize a basic gallery in under 3 minutes. We'll start by editing the home page, then add the basic gallery widget, adjust its image, layout, and link settings, and finish with styling. To get started, go to Edit the Home Page with Elementor. That's where we'll be adding the gallery. Once you're in, click on the highlight to select the element you want to work with. Then click on General to access the general settings for that element. From there, go ahead and click on Basic Gallery to add the gallery widget. You'll see a No Images Selected button. Click on it to choose which images to include. Next, click on Image Resolution to set the size of the images in your gallery. Then, click on Columns to control how many images are displayed per row. After that, click on Caption to decide whether image captions are shown below.
Now, click on Link to configure what happens when a gallery image is clicked.
Then set Lightbox to determine if the image opens in an overlay or not. Finally, use Order By to sort the images in the order you prefer. Once the content is set, click on Style to customize the look and feel of the gallery. And last, click on Advanced for extra layout and positioning options. That's your basic gallery all set up in Elementor. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.